So this week I'm gonna try and do more vlog style. I don't really have a vlog style camera. I have like my big old camera, so it's kind of hard to hold up. I thought I would just take you along, show you some of the things I like about Home Chef specifically. It's the only meal service that I use, and it has been for a while because it's the one that I like the best. And then I'm gonna show you some of the like cleaning supplies that I like to use in the kitchen and some of the utensils and like gadgets that I like to use in the kitchen. I'll be better at like maybe taking you grocery shopping with me in the future because I'm gonna try and do some of these videos one time a month, show you what came in my Home Chef box, and hopefully maybe encourage you guys to try it out yourselves. So I have an associate here helping me. This is my Home Chef box for this week, and I wanted to kind of unbox it on camera. I'm working again with Home Chef. I have worked with them in the past, and I also have a $30 gift coupon card for you guys. But I opened this up, and this came in my box today, but I have a $30 off coupon code, which I will leave that code for you in the description box. Take advantage of that. I've talked a lot about Home Chef in the past. I've done a full video where I told you guys all the reasons that I loved it, but this is going to be more vlog style, but I did want to show you like what comes in my box, what meals I chose, but I'm also going to link in the description box below my other videos, so that if you want to know a whole lot more about Home Chef and the reasons that I love it, one of the reasons are that I will just say right off the bat is it has so many choices for food versus other brands, and that is like one of the things that I love. And the meals are super easy and they're always really delicious, and I wanted to show you how they came. Baby, pick that up. Let's show them. We got ranch chicken quesadillas. Ooh, does that look good? Mm-hmm. And then, what's this one? Steak. This is Japanese sirloin steak, and it has carrots.
That looks delicious.
Delicious. And then this one is a jalapeno popper burger. So they're really easy. They come pre-portioned. I have 3 meals for 4 people. Even though I have 5 people in my family, it works out for me because my kids don't really eat as much, so I kind of divide the 2 portions into 3 for them. And so let's just go. So it comes with the meals that you chose on top here, and then we're gonna dig in. So everything is recyclable, and it gives you like the recycling instructions.
That's the thing.
And then that's the thing. So let's just look right off the bat what we have. We have tons and tons of ice packs to keep the food to keep the food cold. And then we have the meals are in category bags like this. Can you pick up one of those meals and show? So it comes like that.
I'll pick a second one up.
And it shows you what meal it is right here on the corner. And so it will show me, so I put these in my fridge and then I just kind of pull them out. Here's another one. That's for the steak meal. And let's see, what else do we have in there? Another one. Everything comes like super fresh, packed really well. It's double, yep. Because I got, each bag comes with 2 servings in it. So since I got 4 servings, I'm gonna get 2 of each meal, like 2 bags of each meal. So honestly, if I wanted to make like 2 servings at a time, I could totally do that. Okay, and then you see here at the bottom, we have this thing that separates. I know, baby. We have a thing that separates the meat products. So below are all the meat products, so we take that out. And then, okay, girls, can you grab the ice packs? Okay. And then it shows you all your meat is kept fresh and cold under there.
Look at that.
Look at that. So we have our steaks, chicken, all wrapped up, nice and cold down in there, and then all the ice packs to keep everything cold.
This insulates it.
And then this is insulated. Alright, so that is how it comes every month, and I will show you guys some of the meals in this video. I'll be cooking some of the meals, and I kind of show you the process but I wanted to show you really how everything came. It's been super helpful to me because I just love the options. So many options. You can go in and select different, if you have restrictions or different foods that you like or you want to eat, you can always go and do that. I like the step-by-step instructions to cook. So it will tell you how to cook it, and everything comes pre-portioned, and then it gives you like the time and the level of cooking it is at the bottom here where it says like intermediate, how long it keeps, how long it takes to cook. And then it tells you like the level of spice. So I always find that it gives us less waste. So we like to do this for a couple of meals, and then I kind of plan around it. Anyways, if you guys want to try out Home Chef, I really encourage you guys to take advantage of that $30 off. You'll be able to at least try 1 or 2 meals, 1 portion, 2 portions, so you'll be able to see if you like the caliber of the food, the different recipes. You'll be able to try on like how it works online. I signed mine up to come on Wednesdays, so I kind of just plan around it coming on Wednesdays, like what I want throughout the next week. So this will last me about 1 full week, and I just cook one of these meals every other day. Sometimes you have leftovers, but not really. It's portioned really perfectly to not really have leftovers. So yeah, this week we have the burger, steak, and these quesadillas. These are all like family friendly meals. The kids can even help me cook some of them.
Ooh, I can?
Yeah, because they're pretty easy.
We have a year of ice. I want the steak.
We do have a year of ice. A year of ice packs come. But that's good because I didn't get to this box and it actually kept it cold for the whole time that I was gone. I was gone for like 3 hours, and it was just sitting inside the house because I put it inside the house, but I didn't get a chance to unbox it. So anyways, kept it cold, kept it fresh. So it comes packaged really, really nice. Okay, you know, since I'm a brand new vlogger, I'm like, what am I supposed to vlog? So I'm just gonna do stuff that I would have told you about maybe like on my Instagram stories. I wanted to share with you this blanket. Ugh, I'm so glad I got this. So this was on Nordstrom Rack. This was on the app, the Nordstrom Rack app. Like, kind of like Hotlook has the Nordstrom Rack app. And it's the Barefoot Dreams blankets. They're so soft. I have one that I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and I got this one. It's got like, it's in the color stone, and then it has like this cream thing. If it's still on the site, I will try and link it down below. But it is so soft and cozy, and I loved the one that I have. It's like a gray color in our bedroom. And then I just decided to get this one like for the family room because I knew that it was so like the most loved blanket in the house. And I'm telling you, these are worth every single penny. It was on sale for like $45, which is like almost half off on Nordstrom Rack. And then I wanted to show you guys my favorite candle. I talk about this in like every single video. I just lit this one, but this is like, I mean, this is a huge one. But it is the Anthropologie Candle, and it's in Capri Blue, the volcano candle in Capri Blue. I love those Anthropologie candles, but mainly I wanted to tell you about my blanket. And then I'm just sitting here drinking my coffee. And then these coasters also, I always get questions every time I show them, but like these coasters are from Anthropologie as well. All right, my battery died during that. And then I just have a Ray Dunn mug. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys my nail polish. Okay, this is like, I can hardly get this to focus. This is Jane by KL Polish. I love this stuff. This color is like the perfect, almost like berry shade. My nails are stubby right now. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite like cleaning supplies. I've been using these Myers. I found this one at Target. This is the apple cider. You guys, this smells like you lit an apple cider candle. It smells so, so good. They do have it in the spray, but I haven't found the spray yet. They only had the dish soap. The only problem with these dish soap is I honestly feel like you go through the dish soap like 50 times as fast, but Anyways, I have my Home Chef stuff all out. I've showed this before in the other video, but they send you a binders and everything comes hole punched. So you just pull it out and you can put your recipes in here and create like your own little cookbook for all of your Home Chef recipes. So that's really nice to keep them all like in one spot. Okay, I also wanted to show you guys, I have them like hidden back here, but I wanted to show you these little candles. These are from Antique Candle Works. They're like just such good candles, and I love these like little mason jars that they come in. They have really nice scents. This one is Autumn Leaves. Let me see the ones I have tucked behind here. This one is Backroads. That one smells really, really good. I've burnt this one so much. This was Fresh Cut Herbs. Definitely check them out. They have some of my favorite, like, almost like farmhouse looking candles. I have an entire candle shelf, but these are the ones that I use from that line the most. Let's see what this one was. Mama's Kitchen. I like this one a lot for the kitchen. But, so I just keep those right there. This is from, where is this from? Target. This is like the Magnolia brand from Target. And then I just keep like some of my extra Ray Dunn bowls and mugs like on this little table thing. And then any of you moms out there, I got this at Sam's Club. It just holds all of our little chips. Like, I need places to put like all of our little like chip bags. I am like having a really poor time decorating our mantle. This is not considered decorated. It's like I wanted some greenery in it, but then I kind of want to steer away from these like orangey colors, but I do really feel like that's fall. But I wanted to stick maybe with like more of the like creams and gray pumpkins and whatever, but I'm like, well, that's not real pumpkin, but I had all this other stuff, so I'm like, maybe I should just like stick with it and not buy anything new. But I'm really struggling. I hate the way it looks right now. Something needs to happen. I just literally put that little wreath up there, but yeah, I'm struggling with it, but I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. But this is what I got going on so far. I think I like this part right here, but yeah, I don't like the top part. We need height to places and like a lot of other stuff going on. Cause this is like a pretty tall fireplace, so that like dinky wreath is like not gonna cut it. Okay, tonight I am going to make these steaks, Japanese sirloin steaks. I pulled the steaks out. I got my 2 packs because I'm doing, each pack has 2 servings. So you basically take the recipe and you just double it. This is the recipe I'm following. So you double it. So everything I do, it's just for a serving, a portion of 2. So since I'm doing 4 portions, I just double everything. So make sure that you remember that if you're getting each bag, and each recipe is set for 2 portions. So depending on how many you have, then you're just gonna have to eat, you know, either whatever. So I'm gonna start with the rice, go on to the carrots, then you prepare the meat and the glaze, and I will show you guys. It's super simple. I like how they have the pictures, easy to follow along, super simple steps. Everything you need is right here in these bags. So I just pulled them out of my fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and get cooking, and I will show you guys the finished product. Finished product. Okay, I want to share with you guys this frother. So just make yourself coffee. You can use milk, you can use half and half, you can use cream. I'm just using this white chocolate macadamia. You just pour a little bit of it in, and probably not even that much, but for sake of demonstration. And then turn it on, and it gives you a really nice froth to pour in, and like you can make your own little fancy coffees at home. I got this off of Amazon. Okay, so when this is done, start splinking right here. Take it out. This is enough for 2 people, but I'm just gonna show you. And then you just pour it in, and you have like a little latte at home. Okay, the lighting is probably terrible. I have no makeup on, but I was like, realized when I was going through this vlog that you hardly saw my face at all. So, hi. I was talking a lot during this vlog. This is my first one really that I've done. I've done a couple of vlogs on my channel, but I'm not really a vlogger, so I really do need the feedback of what you guys think and what more other things that you want me to share. I don't even know how long this one's going to be, but I just thought I would let you take a peek inside my life, and plus I wanted to share with you a little bit about my home chef experience, and I will link down below to some of the other home chef videos I did. I also wanted to share because I got a few PR packages in, and I just thought, usually I share this kind of stuff on Instagram stories, but I wanted to share this one. This is from Pixi. I thought it was a really, really cool idea. They sent a little envelope that you can send back your custom color. So you get to make your custom color. They sent these jars and a step-by-step process, which has like different mixing colors to like mix up a shade, a white, and then a brown shade, and obviously you mix those in with a white, you can come up with your custom color, and then it has a bunch of their liquid lip colors. These are called the Matte Last Liquid Lip Colors. They're infused with rosehip oil, a ton of really bright and beautiful shades, as well as a bunch of nudes. So I think that is such a cool idea that I get to make up my own shade, and then they said that they're going to choose one of them, and if your shade is selected, then they're going to invite you to the Pixi boutique in Los Angeles for a makeover and using your shade. And then also Jouer came out with a new concealer. This is the Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I have one color that I was trying out, so one is missing, but look at all of the shades. Really, really great shade range. I listened to Christina, who is the owner, founder of Jouer, and she said that the shade range, the concealers were in between each foundation shade. So they have a ton of shades of foundation. I believe it's over 40 shades of foundation, and the concealers are in between the shades. Okay, I just want to show you, this is what it looks like. The packaging is really, really beautiful. It is a doe foot applicator. It's super duper high coverage. I'm talking really high coverage. You really only need a little bit. It's really supposed to be nice and hydrating and full coverage for under the eyes. It's going to be available at Sephora, which is really cool, and then Jouer.com. If you do happen to shop through Jouer website, I do have a discount code. It is Lola15 off for Jouer. So, okay, that is it, and yeah, sorry you didn't really see my face very much throughout this vlog, but this is real life right here. This is on a Sunday. This is pretty much how I look, makeupless, and you know, at least my hair is like semi-curled, but I'm pretty much just always makeupless on Sundays. Sunday afternoons, as soon as I get home from church, I take all of my makeup off and I just go barefaced the rest of the day, pretty much no matter what. I don't know what it is, but it's like you have to take a nap and do all these things. So hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bits and pieces that I decided to share, and leave me feedback and suggestions for what to kind of include in next month's vlog. And I can't wait to show you guys what I picked for next month's vlog and my home chef meals that I picked for that. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will list a few of the things I mentioned, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah.